friends, today we will discuss about internet. Children, internet is a computer network. It comes in the category of wide area network, WAN, because it connects millions of computers, electronic devices all over the world, and through internet people can share their information, ideas with anyone in the world. It is a network of networks. Why? Because there are many small LANs, millions of mans are connected with each other and form a big network, that is internet. Now children, we will discuss some uses of internet that makes the internet as very important part of our life. Nowadays you will see the technologies we are using, the tools, the devices we are using are based on internet. So everywhere we will find out that internet is working. Now we will discuss some of the uses. First we will discuss about information searching. It is very much true children. We can just get the information on any topic with the help of internet. Like we use Google search engine. Internet has a vast collection of information. You can just search on any word you like to find out. We can just find out about the politics, sports, education, nature, arts, cooking, means every topic we get lots of information. We can find out about the different recipes. We can find out about different art styles. We can also find out about the countries, their population, their living style, their culture, their language, and in the world we can find about different places to visit. In science we can find out about latest inventions, research. We have everything available over the internet. News. Children, if we like to update ourselves with latest happenings, then we don't have to purchase the newspaper. We don't have to take out the time to read the newspaper. Whenever we have a time, we can use our laptop, mobile, and we can just find about the latest happenings. Online newspaper facilities are available. Nowadays you will see the news channels have their apps, news channels have their just websites. We can visit there, we can find out about the latest happenings. Publication houses have their e-newsletters. They are also their Facebook account, their website is there, their app is there. So means there are different ways available over the internet. Through that we can just keep ourselves updates with latest happenings. We just find the information in form of videos, audios. We can read the articles. So internet is the easiest, fastest way to keep ourselves update. Online banking. Children, nowadays banking transactions are very much easy for everyone. We don't have to take out the time to visit the bank. We don't have to stand in the queue to withdraw the money, to find out about our bank account details, because nowadays almost every bank has their websites, their app. We can use the websites, we can use the app, and we can do the banking transaction. Like we can just transfer the money from one account to another account. We can just do the payment of our bills like electricity bill, water bill. We can do the recharge of our mobile phones. If you want to know about the bank account details, we can just find out that also. So it means nowadays banking transactions are very much easy for a person. Tourism and travel. If we like to visit different parts of the country or a world, and then we have a different platforms over the internet. Traveling agencies have their websites, their apps like makemytrip.com, yatra.com, cleartrip.com. We can just open their app, we can just go to the website, we can just contact with them, and we can find out about their packages, and we can plan our trip. Online booking of hotel is possible, online booking of air tickets, railways is possible. So children, traveling and tourism is very much easy through the internet. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is a technique through that we can do face-to-face communication with anyone from different locations. To meet any people, to talk to any person, we don't have to visit to his or her place. We don't have to waste the time. We don't have to spend the money. Nowadays, we have facilities of video conferencing. That is the reason online training programs are available, online meetings are there, online workshops are there. People are attending the meeting, conducting the workshops. Even online learning is also available. Nowadays, teacher and students can interact with each other, like Zoom app is there, Google Meet is there, where teacher can explain, students can ask their question to the teacher. Virtual school is also a new way of learning, where the teaching is totally going over the internet. Mailing letter. Children, in traditional method, we were just using the post box, post office to just send the letters. But nowadays we are using the internet to send the messages to each other all over the world. And with our letters, children, we can also attach the pictures, videos, audio files. So it is a fastest way of sending the letter. And you all know that Gmail is very much popular nowadays. Entertainment. Whenever we are feeling bored, we want some entertainment, we don't have to go anywhere. We just have to use our mobile, laptop, computer. We can just play online games. We can also just watch the movies. Even we can download the movies. We can watch serials, web series. If you have an interest of reading, we can read stories, books. So for every age group, different forms of entertainment is available over the internet. Chatting. Children, if we want to just do instant communication with any person over the internet, we have a facility of WhatsApp, instant messenger, where we can just do text chatting, video chatting. Even we can share the videos, audios with the people. Health and fitness. If you want to know about different diseases, different medicines, we just use the internet. As I told you, it is the fastest way to find the information on any topic. Even nowadays, online doctor facilities available. Many hospitals have their apps, websites. Even the doctors have their own app. Through that, we can just contact with them. They guide us. We can just book for the purchasing of medicine. We can also find out that there are different types of experts are there that can give the advice to become healthy, how to just keep ourselves fit. We will find out that there are videos available related with the workout, exercise. Even the fitness experts have their apps. Through their app, we can just join them and we can keep ourselves fit and healthy. So children, internet has become very important part of our life. Without internet, we cannot think about our life. Thank you.